have included these type of the features. You can say that features will be shown with the icon. So let me show you how we can select these features for Classiera. On the submit ad page, these features will be shown like this. So if user have any of these feature, user can just check this box. And here are the some other features, input fields or any other fields you can use. So first, let we discuss about these features. So in the if you are using the latest version, then the all post, and here you will see the features. From here you can add the feature, and here you can use the feature icon like this one. Let me show you. Here is the name, and here is the icon. So you can in the first step you need to add the features, like we have added these features here. And the second step will be you need to select these feature for the categories, like from here. Let me show you. From here you can select these feature if you are going to add any new category, and then these features will be displayed here. And if you want to add the feature for the viewer already have the categories, then you just need to click on the edit screen, and from here you can select the which feature will be shown for this category. So these selections will be displayed on the submit ad pages. On depends on your selection. When you will select the category, then custom fields and features will be displayed here, and user can add these feature for his classified ad. And here are the custom fields. Right now we have added the text input field regarding our demo, but you can also add the other fields. We have different type of the fields like this one: the text input, checkbox switch, multi-check, radio, and drop down. And from here you can select these text field will be for entire all the categories are only for few categories. So this way you can add the features, and you can add custom fields in the latest Classiera. Well, before this, we have these custom fields. We are going to remove this in the near future. That's why we have added these fields. So I request you to please use these features and these form fields for the new website. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.